Hey guys, it's Ryan with Optimize, and I just wanted to show you this real quick. So I'm about to push a website live. I'm about to replace the current website that is on this domain right here, this firstpassoutfitters.com. I am really excited about this site because it was just an awesome project to have the opportunity to work on. So this is the current website that we are replacing. So I'm really excited for Curtis, the owner of this fishing charter in Astoria, Oregon, because the search engines are going to have a much better understanding of when to rank his business, and then we're going to fix all this stuff like text over text, cut off text, a lot of things we're going to clean up here. We've also integrated booking, but this is often what happens when I log into any other WordPress website that I didn't set up. I actually just did these updates on these themes here. I'm getting ready to replace everything, so I wanted to update really fast. There's no need to have all these additional themes, like pick your theme. WordPress does recommend having a backup installed. I don't even do that. I just want as little code on my website as possible. But there's, whenever I hop on a site, there's just always a million updates, and this one isn't bad. 6, especially considering that a lot of these plugins aren't being used and all of this kind of stuff. A lot of them are just not necessary. So I see this a lot where someone's building a WordPress website and they really maybe shouldn't be building a WordPress website or a website at all. And they end up using a ton of plugins, and it's just a security risk, bogs your site down, slows it down, all this kind of stuff. So this is what happens when I log in here, and man, I actually cleaned this up a little bit already, but so it's still pretty bad. Just when I log into my WordPress, like I just want to see a nice clean interface. This is what mine looks like. So I'm building out his site on a subdomain on a domain I own. So this is what it looks like when I log into WordPress, and this is all of the options over here. Like very rarely do we have more options than this. So it's just a whole lot easier to manage the websites we build because there's not all this bloat and clutter and all this stuff that is just not needed. So this is all we have, and just to show you, like we have 31 pages here. So 31 pages on this website. We also have 11 blog posts. We have 4 published. We're going to roll out 7 over the next 7 weeks once we go live. And this one right here just has 10, and it doesn't have nearly the functionality or anything. So this is just stuff that we clean up. I'm just trying to go over and beyond. Like, we don't just build websites. We're always going to hook you up to Google and Bing. There's 5 properties between them. We'll get you set up on a free company email. We'll get you set up on the best hosting in the world. All of this kind of stuff is what we offer our clients over and beyond building them a website that will actually look good and function properly on all screen devices, all screen sizes, all that kind of stuff. And then be very easy for the search engine to understand because we build them very technically sound from a SEO perspective, on-page SEO, technical SEO, and then we even, depending on what the scope of work is, we'll get you some backlinks and some citations, set up your Facebook page, stuff like that, all with SEO in mind. So if you are looking to save some time, money, and frustration with marketing your business on the internet, reach more clients, all that kind of stuff, contact me. I'm not going anywhere, but our prices are going up. So the cheap days are over. We're charging what we're worth these days, and we're attracting bigger and bigger clients, and I'm absolutely loving it. Not to say I don't want to work with a small business, but you need to come to us with a realistic budget. So until the next video, you already know, keep making money. Actually, let's take a look at the plugins. I didn't actually show you the plugins. So this is just the craziness. So this, like I said, is not that bad because there's only a handful of inactive plugins, and then this isn't too bad. But we have a website with much more functionality, and this is all that we have, and this all-in-one will actually go away. We're not going to actually need this. This is how we migrate websites. Just these right here accomplish absolutely everything we need as far as help from plugins, and we don't even really need a lot of these, but they do make things a lot easier, and they're great high quality plugins that we're not worried about any security risks or anything breaking or anything like that. So that's that.